a park bench in the middle of a city, and a businessman is sitting, reading his newspaper, trying to relax in his lunch break, and along comes a tramp.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day again.
Good day.
Did you know that you've got 4 miles of tubing in your stomach?
I beg your pardon.
I said, did you know that you've got 4 miles of tubing in your stomach?
No. No, I didn't know that, no.
It's good job I'm here then. Are you interested in your intestines?
Not particularly.
Well, you should be. Because if you didn't have your intestines, you wouldn't be able to digest. Then you'd look a bit of a fool. You'd look a fool without your intestines. Shall I show you a picture of your intestines? See how far the food's got to travel? 4 miles at 1 mile an hour. That means that none of the food in your stomach is ever really fresh. It's all at least 4 hours old.
Look. Fancy now.
No, I don't fancy that! I do not fancy that in the least bit, thank you very much. I wish my intestines were shorter. Don't you wish your intestines were shorter?
Look, let's just forget about my intestines, shall we?
Okay, on your own head be it. But I'll tell you an interesting fact. I'll tell you a really interesting fact. It's about the whale. Did you know that the whale isn't really a fish? It's an insect and it lives on bananas.
The whale is an insect. I've never heard such rubbish.
Oh no, that was a joke. I made that one up. It wasn't a fact at all, it was a joke. But I'll tell you a really interesting fact about the grasshopper. The really interesting fact about the grasshopper is its disproportionate leaping ability due to its powerful hind legs. Hop, hop, hop it goes all over arable land. That is land was actually tilled by Arabs. And the interesting fact about your Arab is that he can live for a whole year on 1 grain of rice. Imagine that! A dirty grey Arab living for a whole year on 1 grain of rice. It's incredible!
A whole year on 1 grain of rice.
Oh no. It's the mosquito that can live for a whole year on 1 grain of rice. You wouldn't get a dirty, great 6-foot Arab living for a whole year on 1 grain of rice, for heaven's sake. Your Arab needs 4 square meals a day. Now, I get those two muddled up because they're next to each other in the dictionary.
What are?
Mosquitoes and mosques. No, but I'll tell you the really about the grasshopper. Do you want to hear a really interesting fact about the grasshopper?
Not particularly.
Well, if a giraffe could leap, pound for pound, as high as a grasshopper, he'd avoid a lot of trouble.
Shall I tell you something? You're one of the most boring, tedious, uninteresting, flatulent, flat-headed, cloth-eared, swivel-eyed little gits I've ever set eyes on.
Is that a fact? Oh, very interesting. Yeah.